Why does a simple sneeze get a blessing? This tradition has ancient roots. During the plague in the 6th century, sneezing was thought to be an early symptom of illness. Pope Gregory I encouraged people to say, "God bless you," to protect the sneezer from sickness. Others believed sneezing expelled the soul, leaving the body momentarily vulnerable to evil spirits, so the blessing acted as protection. In some cultures, people thought sneezing meant your heart stopped for a split second, so blessings were a way of wishing health. Today, it's just polite habit, but behind it lies centuries of fear, faith, and superstition. Do you always say "bless you" when someone sneezes or skip it? Let me know in the comments.